Oh, that's it. Call 911. Oh, man. I was just on a tight single track trail. And in my video, I said, trails like this are real tough in the fall when they get loaded with leaves. And sometimes it's hard to pick up the track. And towards the end, I was pedal striking on rocks I could barely see and bounced off a few trees on some tight turns. But that's all good, man. Oh, I just love the woods, man. Oh, it's so much fun. Oh, geez. Ah, man. It's good to have a few battle scars on you. As I am at Christmas Crossing. And if you come here in the winter with some snow on the trees, the ornaments, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. It is just a real nice place to come visit during the winter season. Just looks real nice. Out in the middle of the forest. And Santa lost his head. Let's go have some more fun. Woo!